How to remove text from a video in CapCut on Android. This tutorial shows you how to delete any text you've added to your project. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device and open the project that has the text you want to remove. After that, tap on the text layer on the timeline at the bottom of the screen to select it. From there, the text will be highlighted and you'll see a set of editing options appear at the bottom. At this point, tap on Delete from the options at the bottom to remove the text from your video. In the next step, the text will be instantly removed from your project and your video will go back to how it looked without it. Following this, if you have multiple text layers you want to remove, just repeat the same process for each one individually. Finally, once all the unwanted text is removed, tap Export at the top right corner to save the updated video to your gallery. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove text from your video in CapCut on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.